What's up, people? Thanks for tuning in to another Nick Dog vid. Once again, we are out here at Hollister. You know, this is my spot. This is where I go, close to the pad. About to get after it, see what we get into. Oh, I know that, that's boring. Did we rip that? It might be going the wrong way right now, I'm not sure. Forget. Yeah, we're going the wrong way. Short people problems right there, boys. Oh, she's pissed off. Looks like a pretty sweet hill climb right there, as you guys see. A nice hill climb right here too. Stacking them up. So far, let me let you guys know on this carburetor. I know I talk about it a shitload, but it's been a bit of a challenge. Not a challenge, I would say. Just it's been a bit of adjustment going on. I had to adjust it. They told me to do the outer screw. It didn't really change anything, so I had to get into the rod, richen the rod up. So I turned that, I think, about a full turn and almost a half rich. And then I went back in on the outside screw to lean it out a little bit. And right now, I think she's tits, dude. She's set. Let's see right here. We're gonna give it to her. Oh, dude. That was third gear. Dude, she's pissed off. Dude, she's pissed off. She's super pissed off, guys. That's the best my bike's ever felt right there, dude. It's hardcore pulling. Hardcore pulling. Whoa, 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 whoa. She was hardcore pulling, guys. I don't know. I don't want to jump the gun yet, but I think she's dialed. She might be dialed right here. Oh, man. Getting a little bit of hand pump. Oh. Not arm, hand. You guys ever got that? I don't want to go back. I'll stay up here, so. Oh, damn. Woo. Oh, here's the trail over here. I know it. You guys got to get out here and cut this stuff back in. I don't know, I think I can work with it. Dude, she's dialed. Super pissed off. Yee! Oh! Hey, trying to put a log right there again. Ah, damn, dude. Told you I give him a hand pump on this clutch lever. She's ripping. She's ripping and gripping. I don't know what I'm gonna say. I'm pumped. It feels pretty damn good right now. Whoa, whoa. Got that IRC biting in the front. It's third gear. Just lugging it. One little power just popped the clutch. We got a buddy right here. Oh, you're not my buddy, but he's a fellow rider, so we all buddies. Where'd he go? Oh, he went back up. Let's chase him down. back the same way I went already. Fucking neutral, man. Oh man, she's pissed off, guys. Wheelies for days. You don't even know I'm here. You look like the type of guy that gets into good stuff. Oh shit. I don't know where he went, but we're having our own fun. It's all gravy. Whew, coming in hot. Slow down. God damn, dude. Can't believe I'm having freaking hand pump. Alright guys, gonna do it for this vid. Smash that like button, subscribe, share this video. Actually, I gotta check this vid because I gotta make sure the sound is right. I don't know if you guys noticed, sound's been off lately. It's because this mic, sometimes I'll hit it. I'll hit the mic connection with my hand while I'm like getting close to the bars. And it would, I think basically it shuts the mic off. And then it sounds real quiet. So today what I did was I taped the connection, kind of hold it on, plugged in tight, but I gotta check this video to see if there's even any audio. So like I said, if you could hear me, smash this like button, subscribe, share this video. I think this girl's on it. She's on it today. She's ripping, she's spitting out the back a little bit, but I don't really care about that. You know what I mean? This is what it is. As long as she's performing like, then I'm all good. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.